Alright, so it's Sunday at the tiny house, and this video is going to be about what happens when you've been gone for 4 months. So I haven't been up here for 4 months, and we came up to a couple minor disasters. Nothing major, just minor. One of the minor disasters was the chest-high grass. So we got a little bit of mowing in this video. We got some feeder refill in this video. We got a little bit of land maintenance in this video. But the big thing is I came up with my granddaughter and my daughter, and it was just time to spend a little time with them. So we had a great time, and I just hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.